Vertical gardening has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It offers a space-efficient, aesthetically pleasing, and practical way to cultivate various plants, including cucumbers. In this guide, we will explore the art of growing cucumbers vertically in pots. This method not only saves space, but also allows you to enjoy fresh cucumbers right from your own patio or balcony. Pot selection. Choose large pots or containers with adequate drainage holes to accommodate cucumber plants. The pot size should depend on the cucumber variety you intend to grow. Compact or bush cucumber varieties require smaller containers, while vining cucumbers need larger pots and trellises. Soil preparation. Use high-quality potting mix with good drainage. Cucumbers thrive in well-drained, fertile soil. Ensure the pots have adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Planting and spacing. Select cucumber varieties that are well suited for vertical growing. Sow cucumber seeds or transplant seedlings into the pots according to the variety's recommended spacing. Proper spacing ensures that each plant receives sufficient sunlight, air, and nutrients. Trellises and support structures. Install trellises or other support structures near the pots to facilitate vertical growth. Cucumbers are natural climbers, and providing them with support prevents overcrowding and encourages air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases. As cucumber vines grow, gently guide them to climb the trellis or support structure. Tying the vines using soft garden twine prevents them from sprawling and encourages upward growth. Sunlight requirements. Cucumbers require at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ensure that your vertical garden receives adequate sunlight by positioning the pots in a sunny spot on your patio or balcony. Watering and fertilizing. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Cucumbers are heavy feeders. Consider using a balanced liquid fertilizer or organic compost to provide essential nutrients for robust growth. Vertical cucumber gardening in pots is a practical and space-efficient way to enjoy fresh cucumbers from your own home, regardless of your available space. By selecting the right containers, cucumber varieties, and support structures, and by providing adequate sunlight and care, you can create a thriving vertical cucumber garden on your patio, balcony, or even indoors. So, roll up your sleeves, get your pots ready, and embark on your vertical cucumber gardening journey today.